Let's move on to how we need to hide and unhide rows and columns. So we can click onto our row and Ctrl spacebar to highlight the column, but you don't need to do that. You can simply just go onto the cell where the column is and click Ctrl 0 to hide the column, and then Ctrl Shift 0 to unhide the column. We do a similar operation for the rows, and let's just highlight this to see that this is the row that we are going to be hiding. So let's just go onto that. Now this particular row, to hide it, it's Ctrl 9, and there you see you have removed row number 5, and to unhide it we simply do Ctrl Shift and 9 to bring it back. You can also hide and unhide a number of rows or columns, so you simply just, let's shift and spacebar to highlight that. Now let's shift and down arrow, let's select 3, and once again we can just do the shortcut Ctrl 9, and that's going to hide row 8, 9 and 10. So Ctrl 9, and that hides that, and once again to undo that it's Ctrl Shift and 9. So that can be used on rows as well as columns. To group and ungroup rows and columns, another feature that's very interesting, we are simply going to select the 2 columns over here. So once again Control and Shift, Shift and a right arrow to have 2 columns selected, and we are going to group these together. Now to group these we're going to use the shortcut Alt. Once you press Alt, you'll see a number of formulas come up over here. We need to go across to the Data tab, so we are going to select A, and then we are going to go over to the outline here, so it's Z and O together, and G to group it. Now what you're going to notice when you press Enter here is you will see a plus sign come up, and there we go, we have a minus sign here now, and when we close it we'll have a plus sign that indicates the level of grouping. Now if you have a number of different groupings, what you can do is simply go across to 1 and 2, and it can hide and unhide your grouped columns very fast. Same principle will apply to the rows, so once again Shift and spacebar, let's select 3, and we follow the same shortcut, which is Alt A, Z O and G to group, press Enter. Now we have the same options on the row level as well, so we can close it here, open it with the plus and minus, and we can simply just add and minus it. Now you may wonder if you want to completely get rid of this, you simply just go highlight this once again, so Shift and spacebar, let's just highlight the rows there, and again Alt A, Z O, and you have the ungroup option right here, U to ungroup, and you have simply ungrouped it, and you can follow the same on the columns.